Hi, today we're going to show you how to build a PC. First step, plug in the power supply. Alright, next you want to connect the power supply to the hard drive. Then you want to connect the blue cable to the hard drive. Alright. Then you want to insert the hard drive, and it should click in, just like that. All right. And then you want to insert the RAM sticks. The label should face toward the hard drive. Alright, now the blue cable that's connected to the hard drive should go into a blue slot on the motherboard. Alright, now you want to connect the big ribbon cable to the motherboard. That large cable right there. Next, you want to put in the CD drive bracket. Then you want to connect the 4-pin cable into the motherboard.
What? Oh, sorry.
Should have stopped.
Nope. We're good. This isn't good. Like four.
Okay. Next, you want to connect the orange cable to the CD drive. Okay. Then you want to plug in an L-shaped cable to the CD drive. Now you want to put in the CD drive into the computer. Right. Now connect the orange cable that's coming out of the CD drive into the motherboard. Now you want to plug in the 24-pin cable that's connected to the power supply into the motherboard. And that's it. You've just built yourself a computer.